Poly AI. Tired of calling customer service only to be stuck with robotic menus and frustrating hold times? Poor support experiences cost businesses customers every single day, and many companies still rely on outdated systems that leave people disappointed. What if there was a way to automate customer service without losing the personal, human touch? Meet Poly AI, a London-based conversational AI platform founded in 2017 by researchers from the University of Cambridge. Poly AI is changing how businesses handle customer interactions by creating voice assistants that sound natural, understand context, and hold real conversations, just like a skilled human agent. At the heart of Poly AI is its natural language understanding, NLU. This deep learning technology recognizes complex spoken queries, different accents, dialects, and even subtle contextual cues, no more rigid, pre-scripted responses. Plus, with multi-turn conversations, Poly AI keeps track of context across multiple steps, making dialogue smooth and coherent, even when customers jump back to previous topics. Poly AI works across multiple channels, voice calls, messaging apps, and websites, ensuring customers enjoy seamless conversations wherever they connect. And it doesn't just stop there. Thanks to self-learning capabilities, these AI assistants improve over time, adapting to new vocabularies and customer needs without constant retraining. Businesses can integrate Poly AI with CRMs, payment systems, and reservation platforms using its robust APIs, delivering personalized responses powered by real customer data. Whether your company handles hundreds or millions of interactions, Poly AI scales effortlessly without losing performance. It even provides data-driven insights, helping organizations analyze customer sentiment, detect emerging issues, and refine strategies for better results. From banking and healthcare to retail and telecom, companies worldwide trust Poly AI to cut costs, boost satisfaction, and elevate service quality. Stop losing customers to poor support. Upgrade your customer service experience today with Poly AI, where automation finally feels human.